It's about 7:30 on a still, dark winter's evening. I've just packed up the barbie. I'm about to go inside, and I notice a light moving towards me. It's not moving fast, quite steadily. It seems to stay around the same altitude, but there's no sound. There's no sound around anywhere. It seems to be hovering now. I've got to get a camera.
You there, Mark?
Yeah, mate.
There is a light in the sky hovering
Is there?
over to the northwest, southwest. It looks very drone-ish. I was very lucky.
When we were in Alice Springs, we saw a lot of satellites moving across the sky.
Yeah, this is very slow moving. In fact, it's hovering at the moment.
There you go.
So it's got to be a drone, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah, I think from what I learned in Alice Springs, it was moving fairly quickly across the sky over satellites.
No, it's been there for 5 minutes.
Well, it's either that or it's a UFO maybe.
Yeah. Well, I've got it on video.
Well, I'll have a look.
I'd like to know what it's doing up there. All this far away from my back deck.